Do you need a license to access SharePoint agents? I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's take a look. I'm in Microsoft Teams and I'll go to my 365 Training Hub site and click into General. Now I want to go to the SharePoint site, which sits below this Teams site. Every Teams site is a SharePoint site. I'll go to the Files tab and the door into SharePoint is located here. You'll see the three dots, and this is how I can access the SharePoint site from inside Teams. Now I'll click onto Documents and I'll be able to see all of my channels inside that Teams site listed here. I have the Copilot license and therefore I have the option to create an agent. I'll click to open. This agent's created automatically for me. I can go in afterwards and I can choose to edit it. I can go to the three dots, go to Edit, and here I can give it a better name. I'm calling it my 365 Hub agent. It's got a description here. So it's currently sitting and it's grounded in my SharePoint site. If I want to, I can add another site or I can add specific libraries, but I just want it grounded in this SharePoint site. Let's press Save. This agent is now available up the top. We can see the Copilot icon and I can see my 365 Hub agent. And now I can ask questions about my data. I'm just looking to find a recent proposal and it's given me an outline from that proposal. So it's working well. I can go to the three dots for that agent and copy the link for Teams. Let's share it with my colleague. Now I'm in Teams and I'll go to my sales team chat and paste the agent here. There's a note saying the HR policy questions agent will be removed from this chat. So I'll add this agent and it will remove the other one. You can only have one agent per chat, which is interesting. So you can see I've removed the HR policy one and then I've added the new one. You can see the starter prompts it's given us here. If I'd like to ask a question directly to the agent at any time, I can use the @mention. So I was able to create the agent and share the agent. Let's switch profiles. So now I'm in my account, which doesn't have a Copilot license. I'm in SharePoint and there's no option to create an agent. There's no Copilot icon up the top and I can't access that agent that was created even for this site. Now let's go into Teams and see if we can access the agent that was shared with this profile. Now I'm back in Teams and I've logged in with my second profile. Remember, this account doesn't have a Copilot license. I'm part of the sales team. Let's jump in and see if I can use the agent. I'll go down to create a message and I'll type @mention and I can access the agent here. Let's ask a question and see what happens. So I've asked the question and the agent is responding. I don't have access to this agent. So you must have the license in order to access the agent. However, if you have a billing plan set up against this agent, you'll be able to use it. And that's when you'll be billed per use. I hope that helps clarify things. I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Get in touch if you'd like Copilot training at your workplace. We're from New Zealand, but with our live webinars, we can train internationally as well.